Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can record a refund in QuickBooks. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, we are in QuickBooks Online, and the first thing you need to do is click on the plus button or the new button that is located on the top right corner of your QuickBooks Online dashboard, and this will open the transaction creation menu. Here you need to select refund receipt for customer refunds or vendor credit for supplier refund. And this will depend, of course, on your transaction requirements. You then, in the customer or vendor field, you need to choose the specific person or business entity that you would like to be receiving the refund payment. And then you need to complete all of the required fields. This will include the refund date, the amount, the refund account, any products or services being refunded if this is applicable, and the relevant tax information. Then you need to carefully review all of the entered information for accuracy, make sure that it's all correct, and then you're going to click on Save and Close to finalize and record the refund transaction. One of the biggest pro tips that I can give you is to always double check the refund account selection to ensure proper categorization within your financial reports. This maintains accurate cash flow tracking and tax compliance.